Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. I'm back out in our shop today taking a look at another one of our printer accessory items, industrial printer accessory items, our printer stand. This is by far our most successful product we've developed. Had it for about 10 years and have multiple customers we've sold this to over the years. And the scenario is this: you've got kind of a tight space and you have a need for multiple printers, and it could be in manufacturing and it could be in logistics too. And sometimes the answer is to go vertical with the printers and put one on top of the other. And you can see there's also a more shallow bottom shelf that's kind of meant to keep media. You can take that bottom shelf, you can flip it upside down. It does, the slides do come apart, and you can make kind of a little cavity, a little recess to keep things in down there below as well. But the obvious part is, yeah, I can stack two printers here, but the problem always is, what happens when I got to change the media? And so we have put these on little slides that do latch when they're closed, to keep them closed. And you can just slide them out, open, change your media out, close the side door back up, and slide it back in. There are bolt holes on the bottom. Ideally, you'd probably want to bolt this stand to the floor because when you go and swing this top printer out, particularly if you don't have a printer on the second shelf, it'll get a little tippy on you. So bolting this to the floor is the best way, but we've had a lot of customers see the value in taking one or two or even three of these and stacking printers together in a work area with the slides that allow you to slide them out and change the media. And it's just a really good solution that we've come up with for Zebra industrial printers, really for any industrial printers. So as always, www.emptechgroup.com. This printer stand is on our website. It is affordable. Again, we do have some in stock. Let us know if we can help. Take care.